So this is the reception, and it has a really cool board for events. Now if you go downstairs, let's check this out. You've got luggage, library, brewery and washrooms. And then the ward of Hof. A little shrine to the Hofmeister. All the Baywatch memorabilia. I think that was probably taken in the 90s when Hof came to do that iconic performance. So there is a bar here as well, which usually operates from around 6 p.m. onwards, which is pretty cool. Let's go check out the room. So I've opted for a private room and I'm staying on the 2nd floor. Let's see what that looks like. So as you go in, there's showers, toilets, and there's some more around the corner. As for the room itself, when you walk in, it's really well compartmentalized, I think. They've put the backboard of the bed facing away from the door, so you're actually facing towards a window. Nice little steps, and then it's pretty cool. And then you got the view of the busy outdoor mite area. All right, and that's the front. That's it really. That's what you get at the Circus Hostel for just a private room without the bathroom. If you're looking to come, go for it. So we're still at the Circus Hostel, and you saw what a basic double room looks like with a shared bathroom. Now this, my friends, is what a private suite looks like. So 1-bedroom suite. You got your living area. I'll pan around again so you get a good angle. You've got the TV there, which has a good little fire stick. And then you come to the kitchen. It's a bit dark, so I'll show you the bathroom first. And shower, usual, got toilet, toiletries, hairdryer, etc. I think we've got access to a balcony as well, which is fantastic. We do. You have access to your very own balcony. So for the smokers out there, you're in great hands, and it's a decent view. We come back in, and I still need to figure out how on earth I'm going to get this kitchen light on. There we are. There we go, and that's what the kitchen looks like. You've got a fridge, oven, worktop, grill, microwave, kettle, all the basics that you need. And there you have it. The Circus Hotel's 1-bedroom suite.